It's fall and we're gonna do a decorate with me for fall video. The last time I did this, we were renting this house. It's been a year already. That's so crazy. And I actually thought I was only going to be here for a year, but I just signed another contract. So I'm gonna be here at least another year. However, that's literally the max I can be here because the actual owners are going to be moving back next summer. So this is my last year here and I'm probably going to decorate it almost exactly like I did last year. So if you already watched last year's video, it's probably gonna look pretty similar. I moved you guys over here. That lighting looked really weird, but I feel like this almost looks even more weird. Why does my hair look so black? I don't know. Anyway, pretty much doing the same thing, but on this wall where my TV is, I want to do some kind of picture collage because I just have such a blank, boring wall. That's the only thing that I think I need to go and buy. I'm just gonna get frames. This way I can swap out the pictures with Christmas and do some Christmas ones. I'm not gonna lie, my Easter is still up. I couldn't find any of my 4th of July decor this year, so I just never took my Easter down and I got bunnies everywhere. So we'll take all that down and start decorating. I'll go through some of these bins to start and I will, if I can remember where things are from, I will let you guys know. One more thing before we get started, my podcast channel is officially live. So if you wanna check out the first podcast, I will have it linked below. And if you want to subscribe, I would be so grateful. Okay, that's it, thank you. To begin, I get questions about this all the time because I share this picture a lot. It's at the entryway. This garland is from Hobby Lobby. I don't know what it's called. Also, these little pieces, I just cut a garland into a bunch of little pieces and set them inside of vases. So if you're wondering where those like potted plants are from, it's actually just this garland chopped up. Okay, we're just gonna say anything that's garland or plants of any kind is going to be from Hobby Lobby. That is always where I go, or Michael's, but 99% of the time it's Hobby Lobby. Oh, and same with Hobby Lobby with all these little pumpkins. They look kind of realistic. I think I ordered, did I order this one? I have no idea. I think this was ordered. Ooh, where's this from? This is so cute. This would be Michael's. If it's Halloween, it's definitely not from Hobby Lobby because they don't have any Halloween. This is my favorite find of all time, the Hocus Pocus spell book. This was from Spirit Halloween because I remember how excited I was when I found it, and it's just a journal. It's the intro to the movie of Hocus Pocus. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is what I was looking for. These little stems I want to place underneath my TV. And these are from, I bet you can't guess, Hobby Lobby. And I love to use like raffia. Years ago at my fireplace, I made it look like it was a front porch. So I had like hay bales stacked. I had like a corn husk. I had just so many pumpkins and mums, and it was my favorite way I've ever decorated. So I've kind of tried to tie that into the house. I've added raffia to give the, you know, just the same little vibes of hay bales, you know? So I'm gonna have this just under the TV and probably place some pumpkins, a candle, some twinkle lights, you know. Just kind of making a big old mess here. I know I want garland there. I'll probably put some in that shelf right there, maybe a little on the coffee table. I don't know. I'm not really gonna do Halloween right now, just fall. Okay, I'm just thinking out loud what I'm gonna do first. I'm going to need garland and pumpkins. Sometimes I leave the stems on them, so that one had one because it's just easier to shove when I have them in garlands, and they'll stay. Oh, these were in a big vase, that's what I did. Oh, I know. Okay, so last year I put this above the microwave, and then I had my big moon. If you've been here a while, then you probably remember the moon that I made. Are people still using those? I don't know, but I'm gonna do it again. I just remembered I have a bunch of signs I need to go get in the basement. This guy has been with me since before I was married. I think I got him at the mall. One of my favorite things to do, especially during the holidays, I will put a screensaver on the TV, and I do not have one of them really nice fancy frame TVs, but what I like to do is I will just go find screensavers on YouTube. So let's go. That's not where we're going. What is happening? Am I still on Netflix? Oh no. Okay. So right here, it says fall frame TV art. Look how cute. These ones look really nice. That's really nice. Even though I just said I'm not doing Halloween, I'm gonna do the ghost. What? That's not the one I picked. What the heck? Look at that though. Does that look legit? Okay, go back. Oh, I did not pick the right one. That's cute. Oh, it's moving. Oh, and so is the ghost. Just kidding. We're gonna do a fall one. Okay, which one? Which one? Help me. We're gonna settle on that one. I finally got a, what is this called? A TV stand. Oh, I still have the sticker. I found it at the thrift store for 40 bucks. I had it last year. It was just bolted. You guys remember, bolted to the back of this like pushing cart. My TV was bigger than the cart and I just was like, whatever. So I literally just got this. I do think I want to change it. I just don't really care to yet. But for now, with Halloween, it's fine that it's black. And I think I would prefer it to just be wood toned, but that's okay. This is what I mean when I say I haven't taken my spring down, Easter down. I still have my He is Risen sign, all of my Easter I still love. So let's handle this first. Oh, my mom did this. Oh my gosh, this is her hack. Let me show you guys. This is evidence my mom was here. So she wraps toilet paper or something in the bottoms of these and shoves them in and then they don't wiggle around. That's so awesome. I have a couple of these garlands, either 2 or 3 in here. All right, I'm gonna just have it kind of draped mostly on the top and then kind of dragging on the other side. I guess you're gonna watch and see. Oh, okay, it is 3. Like this. Ezra's gonna be walking in the door any minute and he's my only child that loves decor. He will either be a little bit mad that I decorated without him or he'll just be really excited to see all the Halloween out. But I will leave a couple areas for him to help me with because he's actually has some Halloween decor in his room for over a month now. So he's definitely my holiday baby. He loves the holidays and let's, oh, here he is. Already?
Oh, can we like put a candle in here? So it's lighting.
Well, I just went to the thrift store to get a whole bunch of frames. We're gonna make a collage, right? I spent $18, but I got a ton of frames. And I wanted all different sizes. I love this square wooden one. Just a couple.
Blank one.
Yeah, these ones are just wooden. And then I got some black ones. Let's see what else I got. Look how many there are.
That much.
Oh, I got 12 of them. Another square.
I don't think we need that much.
Well, we'll see, huh? Should I leave that in there?
Well, it isn't really Halloween.
I know. 14 frames for 18 bucks. You cannot beat that. I keep running into this problem. So we're trying to print pictures and they're awful looking. So I'm trying to fix my printer and it's also not working. So I'm hoping I can figure this out tonight. Huh, because the pictures just don't look right.
Yeah, they're all just red.
Yeah, what the heck? I don't know how to fix printers. Well, that's a cool idea. That looks kind of creepy. I just picked these up from at home. They're pumpkins. That's kind of cute. That looks spooky down there. Should we show them? Hold on. Wow, look at this awesome, what is this even called? This is the thing that my TV was on. We have the record player sitting on it now. I need to move my drink. Oh, I love it. What else did we get? See the witch hat right there? Let's see, it's a witch pumpkin. Isn't that so cute?
It's so hard to see the face.
We love it.
I like it better when you like not see the face because the eyes are like so far away from each other.
I think that's cute.